and welcome to Clappia. In this video, I'll show you how you can build apps for your business processes using AI. Anything from HR management and employee onboarding to inventory, distribution, task management, quality checks, and more. Instead of manually setting up everything from scratch, you can simply describe what you need and the AI will create the app for you. And the best part is, once the app is created, you are still fully in control because the AI uses all of Clappia's no-code features while building the app. So whatever it creates is something you can always modify, extend, or customize as your process evolves, all without coding. So let's see how to do this. Head over to Clappia and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Now in your workplace, on the left panel over here, you can see AI Assistant. Just click on that and you'll see a few options. You can use this to either build an app, fix any issues that your app might have, explain features that you may have doubts on, or you can create apps using PDFs, spreadsheets, or other documents. For now, I'll select this option to build an app. Now, this is where you actually tell the AI what you need. Let's say I want to build an inventory app. You can keep it really simple and just say something like create an inventory app or create an inventory app for a manufacturing business. Or you can be more specific and give it details about your process. Honestly, the more clearly you explain what you want, the better the app turns out. Especially if you already know what your business needs, just mention it here. The AI can even add things like workflows for notifications, approvals, all based on what Clappia already supports. Now I'm asking it to create a billing app for me with inventory system and I'll hit enter. Once I hit enter, the AI does show me a proposed structure of the app it plans to build. It gives me a full outline. Sometimes it's one app, sometimes it's multiple connected apps. It also shows me the list of fields that it plans to add, or maybe even relevant workflows or charts. At this point, read through it once to make sure everything looks alright. If you like it, then tell it to go ahead and build it, or if you want something to be changed, just say that before you proceed. Sometimes it'll also ask for clarifications. As you can see over here, it's asking me if I want two apps or just a single app, and I think I prefer separate apps. So I'll just mention that over here in the chat. Any specific details? I don't think so at the moment. And I'll hit enter again. So now based on my preferences, it is showing me what it will create. And it's asking me to confirm if I want to proceed with this structure. So I'll just say proceed and hit enter again. It's basically a chat conversation with the AI. You can take advantage of this method by creating a starting point for your apps or using them as templates and then refining them further. And the best part is it just takes a few minutes to build. Alright, now it's done building and it does ask me if I want anything additionally, which I don't want at the moment, but let's see what apps it has created. Just refresh your workplace to see the app it's built. You can see the apps are here and it literally just took a few minutes. It has built the product master, customer master, as well as the billing app as part of the inventory system. It has given me separate apps because that's what I asked for. And the product master would be the one keeping track of inventory, while the customer master, obviously, keeps track of customers. And it would be connected to the billing app. The best part about keeping master apps is that you can use these apps for other purposes, such as linking it to a CRM app, for example, or other processes. And you can ask the AI to help you build that and connect it as well. Anyway, let's check them out. So I'll just open this app and you can see the section and its related fields. If you want to see how it's actually been set up, just go into Design app. Everything is already structured, the section, the fields, the right panel, and so on. And from here, you can either make changes yourself like you normally would, or you can just go back to the AI assistant and ask it to make changes for you. It can add fields such as drop-downs, GPS location, camera block, calculation block, and so on. Now, obviously the AI will not be accurate. It does make mistakes, so make sure you review what it's created. One important thing to note, the AI won't delete fields, sections, or workflows for you. So if you don't want something, you will have to remove that manually. A quick workaround, if there are too many fields for you to delete, you can just add another section, move all the fields that you don't want into that section, and then delete that section. Once you're happy with the app, you can give access to your users by going to the Distribute tab. Click on User Access and on the right panel, you can give your users access. There is a separate video on how to give users access to your apps. I will link that in the description box below. They can then start using the app straight away. This will also be available in the mobile app automatically. You don't need to do anything extra for it. If you don't have the Clappia mobile app, you can download it either on Play Store or App Store. Just sign in and all your apps that you've created will be there instantly, live and ready to use. Just as you can see for this app that was just made. So now let's check exactly what the AI has added to the apps. In the product master, it has given me the product detail section and added fields such as the product name, the SKU, and so on. If I click on category, it has given me some options over here. Obviously, these are just placeholders since I did not specify, which can be changed in design app. Let's go back and check the customer master. So over here, it's given me an app to add all customer details, such as the name, phone number, email, etc. And for the main app, which is the billing app, it has created an invoice section. It has linked this app to the customer master as well as the product master. Do note that if you are trying to connect apps together, for example, this field links to the customer master app. So in design app, if I click on this field, you can see the data source app says customer master and it pulls fields such as the phone number, email, and address, which you can see over here. But make sure you do save this field again and delete the old fields, which is the phone, email, and address. If you're unsure which is which, you can always tell by the variable name. So I'll just delete this really quickly. So since it's linking to the customer master, I'll make a quick submission in that app. As you can see, there is no country code for the phone number block, so I am just going to go ahead and give a country code for it. So as I said before, AI can make mistakes or have its limitations, although this phone number block was more likely because I didn't specify the country. So please do check your apps. Now I'll go to App Home. I'll just make a random submission just to show you how the apps are interlinked. So I'll go back to the billing app, and over here, if I click on customer, if I type in the name, it shows me the submission that was created in the customer master and it automatically fills in the details. The address is not filled because I did not give any address in that submission. So now you've seen that the app actually does work. If you want to make changes via the AI assistant and you don't see your original chat, just click on the button over here and you will see your chat history. You can continue from there, or you can simply open your app in your workplace and then click on the AI assistant. It'll automatically understand which app you're referring to. Now the AI can not only just add fields but also workflows and charts. Let me take an example of workflows. Let's say I want a notification set up based on payment status. So this app has the payment status field. It has given me these options, again as placeholders, but let's work with this. So I would like a notification sent to the customer in, let's say, 5 days if it's partially paid and 1 day if unpaid. Let me ask the AI to do that for me. So now you'll see how it edits the app. I'll just type what I needed to do, like so, and I'll hit enter. It has proposed the steps that it will take, and as I mentioned earlier, it has detected which app I needed to edit. So I think I'm good with this plan. Again, it's asking me for a confirmation. I'll just type what I need and hit enter again. Okay, now let's check that out. I'll go to Design App, Workflows, and it has set it up. It has used the if workflow node, which is this node, and implemented the condition. So such conditions can be set by the AI as well for your apps. Similarly, you can also ask it to add charts from one of these options, or if you want to display conditions, custom logic, and calculations, those can be done as well. So if you have any questions while trying this out, or if you're building something a little more complex and need help, just raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. Select this option. Our AI support is trained on all of Clappia's material to guide you properly, or click on any other option. Our solutions and support team will get in touch. Thank you.